In this video we'll remove all punctuations from a string. So let's define a punctuation equals, and we'll store the punctuations, okay, parentheses, dash, and all the symbols like colon, semicolon, okay, less than, greater than sign, at the rate, hash, okay, like this we'll be adding. So now let's make a my string and we'll store hello, how are you, hope doing well, okay. So we'll make a no punctuation, okay. So we'll remove punctuations from a string. So let's make a for statement for character in my underscore string, okay. If character not in punctuation, okay, and no punctuation is equals no punctuation plus character, okay. So we'll display the unpunctuated string now. So we'll print the no underscore punctuation, okay. So let's run it. So here there is an error. So you can see here the punctuation marks are removed, okay. So we first define the string of punctuations, okay, then we iterate over the provided string using a for loop, okay. So in each iteration we check if the character is a punctuation mark or not using the membership test. We have an empty string to which we add or concatenate the character. If it is not punctuation, finally we display the cleaned up string.